Hey there, how are you doing? Today I want to tell you about an app for your smartphone, which in my case has saved me more than $100 within the last few months. Yeah, and I'm actually a member of this service since 2 years. Right now I'm asking myself the question, what took me so long to start actually using it? But never mind, the topic today is Revolut Metal, which besides this fancy looking banking card, actually through the smartphone app offers tons of great benefits in return for a small monthly fee. And I have explored most of these features, selected my top 5. Let's go and check them out. Hi there, welcome back. My name is Michael. This is a Tech for All channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, maybe you can do it. It's just a single click away. And if you haven't heard about Revolut in the past, this is a digital banking alternative. I think everything which is wrong with the way we're doing banking nowadays is done the right way with Revolut. If you've never heard about Revolut before, it could save you a lot of money from ATM fees, extra bank charges, and crazy charges from currency exchange bureaus. It's not a bank, it's a digital banking alternative which is so successful that right now is the fastest growing fintech in Europe with already more than 4 million users. As already mentioned, I'm a Revolut user since quite a while, and yeah, this is my first card that I purchased more than a year ago. It's still working and I'm still using it. And now I've got this Metal edition, which is part of the big marketing campaign that Revolut are organizing around the new Metal subscription. So yes, this review is sponsored, but I can confirm that I'm a happy Revolut customer since quite some time, and most of what you're going to hear during this review is based on personal experience and I can say entirely truthful. So in this review, I'm going to give you at least 5 good reasons to go for Revolut Metal. And in my opinion, the most important is the bank fees with international money transfers, or actually the lack of such bank fees. Simple example, if you have to book a hotel and pay to an international IBAN, that can cost a lot. In my case, I wanted to do a reservation for my summer holidays in Greece, and I had to pay a deposit the amount of €100, and my bank wanted to charge me €16 for that transaction. The even worse news is that some banks have had to predict rates which depend on daily rates or often shared fees, and you can barely predict what the surprise will be at the end. International transfers done with Revolut are often for free. And yes, you heard me right, for free, there's no catch. It does work, I've tried it numerous times. The only thing is if you use the basic plan, it does have certain limitation. I think it was like £5,000 per month, or the equivalent in your local currency. With the Metal card, this one, I just love the way it feels. With the Metal card, you have no limitations per month, which is pretty convenient. The process through the app is extremely simplified. You just need to point to the recipient and send the preferred amount of money. It's not just that. Currency exchange with excellent rate, possibility to deal with national currencies worldwide, and to top up your account balance from existing credit cards without additional fees, and that happens almost instantaneously. Going to the second big topic, and that's the insurance. Revolut Metal gives you quite a fancy insurance. Well, it's a MasterCard, as you can see, and like most Visa or MasterCards, it arrives with insurance which for Revolut users is seriously pumped up. It's included by default for free and automatically starts as soon as you depart from your usual place of residence. I have the habit to apply for a trip insurance before every travel, so now one less task to worry about. And compensations are pretty good. £300 for dental treatment, $320 for delayed flight, and of course the coverage for emergency situations is much higher, and you can get the full list of coverage on the Revolut website. Number 3, ATM withdrawals, a very painful topic. Imagine you're located in the United States, you want to make a nice trip to Europe, you land somewhere in Germany, you want to get euros, so if you go and do that in an exchange bureau, well, that's going to be painful. And if you have an American credit card and you want to get some euro, the exchange rates are still pretty bad. On top of that, you get charged for the transaction, which usually is something like between $5 and $6 plus a percentage from the amount you withdraw. Well, with Revolut Metal, you have allowance of 600 British pounds per month for cash withdrawals for free from any ATM in the world. Yes, you heard me right, you're not going to pay any bank fee, there's not going to be any percentage charged from the amount you withdraw. It's just going to happen for free. And of course, if you want to withdraw more than £600, that also would work at quite a small transaction fee. You can withdraw money in almost all major global currencies which are supported. For example, I live in Bulgaria and the currency here is called lev, Bulgarian lev. If you've never seen Bulgarian lev, this is a limited edition of our 20 bucks banknote. My lucky one, it's genuine, limited edition 20 lev banknotes. It's pretty nice. Number 4, Concierge. Revolut Metal unlocks the feature Concierge, so you can count on some support doing quite a lot of different things. Should you need a recommendation where to eat, where to sleep, should you need some help with a reservation, booking a flight or whatsoever, you can count on that service. I decided to ask for some help about something I feel very comfortable with. I'm a huge fan of ice cream, to be more precise, gelato. If you've never heard about gelato, Google. It's a different league. No matter what you've tried, if you have never tried gelato, real Italian-made gelato, I don't think you've eaten really good ice cream. But anyway, so I wanted to get an advice where in Sofia, where I'm based, I can get some good ice cream or gelato. And that was a kind of a trap, because the first thing I checked was the top 3 results in Google, which were definitely linking to places I would usually skip. So I wanted to find out whether Revolut's team is actually going to make a research or they're going to give me the top 3 results from Google. Well, to my surprise, first of all, it was like a minute after I placed the request, I got an email in return confirming that they are already researching on my topic. Several hours later, there was search containing, I think, 4 or 5 options for me to visit. 3 out of these 5 places were actually the places I would have gone myself, and they're different to what Google was suggesting, so I'm not really sure where Revolut have done their research, but they truly nailed it. I was super happy, actually surprised to see such well and detailed information from the concierge service. And probably because I have the positive experience, it's a good idea to ask you, what kind of experience do you have? And maybe you can share in the comment section below, what kind of requests did you make and what did you get in return? I've thought for a while which is my 5th favorite feature, and it's a good moment to ask you. If you currently are a Revolut user, why did you choose to subscribe to Revolut? Like, what made you choose the service? If you're about to purchase it, then also let me know what's the thing that attracts you the most. And I'll tell you about number 5. Number 5 is this. This metal feeling is incomparable to anything I've had in terms of a credit card so far. Stainless, by the way. But let me do as I do for most tech stuff on the channel, unboxing. The Revolut Metal arrives with priority shipping for maximum a couple of days, beautifully packed. That's the right material for feeling premium, not glass. And yes, I dare you, all the fans of glass-based, easily cracking smartphone bags, I can't find the right words to describe the beauty of this. Every time I'm taking stuff out of my wallet, I get asked about 2 things. Whether this banknote is real and where I got this card from. The common between both is that both of them are special editions, but only this one can save me a lot of money. And very often people ask me, oh, how did you get this nice looking metal card? Well, it's called Revolut. You can get yours with worldwide shipping on the next business day, with all the nice features of a premium business credit card and the nice features of the premium Revolut app, including priority support, access to cryptocurrency, by the way, perhaps the simplest way of exchanging cryptocurrencies, the launch key pass, the possibility to add virtual cards, and on top of that, up to 1% cashback on your transactions, and all the awesome features we talked about. I know, it's unbelievable how many savings you can make and how many benefits you get through a simple smartphone app and a sleek-looking metal card called Revolut Metal, and you can get yours. Therefore, I'm putting a special link in the description below this video through which you can purchase your first Revolut card for free, the standard edition. And that's been all about this episode. Thank you a lot for watching. My name is Michael. Catch up in the next video. Cheers!